This is... And back. To the middle. There. Alright, let's see the lateral motion, or the up and down motion. That's where we want it.
Desired degree.
Go ahead and load that guy.
Put the shirt in there, and then once you got it in there, shove it in with the...
Oh man.
Laterally move it a little bit to the left. All the way down.
It's good.
A little bit to the left.
Alright.
Good.
Charging.
Charging.
Is it on? It's not on, is
Yeah.
And firing.
it? In a tree!
And it's done.
Success.
Alright, it worked.
How we gotta get the
There's your YouTube video.